Dora the Explorer. First day of school. A lift the flap story. Hola, soy Dora. Boots and Tico are super excited because it's the first day of a brand new school year. This year, Boots gets to learn Spanish and Tico gets to learn English. Do you want to come to school with us? Great! Vámonos! Let's go to school. Boots and Tico want to practice their Spanish and English while they go to school. Let's help. Vamos a ayudar. What's that sound? Do you know what makes a buzzing sound? In Spanish we say abeja, and in English we say bee. Hello, bee. We're almost at school, but who's that hiding behind the fence? It's Swiper. I think he wants to take our lunch boxes. What do we say when we want to stop Swiper? Swiper, no swiping. Mira, it's our teacher. Es la maestra. How do we say hello to our teacher in the morning? Good morning, teacher. We have to put away all our things before we can sit down. Boots wants to know where to put his lunchbox. Do you see where he can put it away? Yeah, the cabinet. Now that everything is put away, we're ready to start class. The teacher says we should take out something to write with. Can you think of something we can use to write with? Yeah, a pencil. Since it's the first day of school, everyone has to go around and tell the class their name. My name is Dora. Me llamo Dora. Say it in Spanish, Boots. Say it in English, Tico. My name is Miss Perez. Now it's your turn. What's your name? Say it in English and Spanish. Me llamo Boots. My name is Tico. Muy bien. You're great at speaking English and Spanish. It's been a great first day of school. Thanks for joining us. Gracias. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks. See you next time.